That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
There he
That's the sound of the
goes.
police. That's the sound of the beast. That's the sound of the police. That's the sound of the beast.
Firstly, we actually really we're quite a fan of this car. We've seen it a few times.
Yeah.
We really like the design. Could you tell us a bit about it?
So, long story short, I got myself in a little bit of trouble once upon a time with the police when I was younger, and I made some silly mistakes. I didn't have good parents or good people around me to tell me what was wrong and what was right, and I racked up a lot of demerit points, and it got me in trouble. So I kind of grew up a little bit afraid of the police, and I kind of, after that, I was like, how can I make a change and kind of promote better attitudes, better, enthusiasm for sports. And I got into this drift car. Maybe create a police car and trying to promote, better driving on the road, safer driving, no drink driving. So I thought, let's make a police car, and I put it on the line pretty often. So it's actually an ex-police car. It's a real police car. This is what they used to use back in the day. And from there, we were kind of like, okay, we'll make some stickers up, put some red and blue seats in.
Have you done any modifications to it?
You know what, I have. So we started off by putting the cool seats in. We upgraded the engine. I'm not very much a mechanic. So pretty much we did like a cam thing in there. We put a cam, whatever that is. We've also done the exhaust. And then we just got like the steering, and then the lights and stickers and the steering wheel and this thing. And that's pretty much it so far. Oh, and the fire extinguisher, we can't forget that. So
If you could have any 3 cars, what would they be?
ooh, I don't know anyone else that owns a police car, so I reckon a police car would definitely be one of them. I always wanted a Nissan GTR growing up as a kid, so I bought a Nissan GTR. And I reckon a Lamborghini would be pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe I might save up my pennies and sell all these and buy a Lambo eventually, but the thing is, I'm happy to crash these. If I crashed a Lambo, I'd probably stay in my room and cry for a couple of days. So you've got about 6 more years until you can get in your own drift car.
Yeah, but for the meantime, I'm a go-kart driver.
Lovely to meet you, big fella.
You too. Thank you for letting us interview.
You're more than welcome. Anytime.
Have a good one.
There
he goes.